How to turn off triple click on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can turn off triple click on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to turn off triple click on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch settings. After you launch settings, you want to simply go to the option called accessibility. Now once you go to accessibility, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called accessibility shortcut, and over here if you have turned on triple click, right, so it says triple click the side button for. If you have enabled any of these options for triple click, all you have to do is just go ahead and then disable them like this, and after you disable them like that, you will be able to turn off triple click. The only one that should be selected is called guided access, because this is the one by default and you can't really remove them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.